Good. Just like that. Yeah. Yeah. All this oxidado, you know? All of it inside there. Turn it right. Oh man, that thing doesn't even turn.
No, it doesn't.
Oh man.
You know, I get dizzy when I back up.
Look at that. There we go. Good. Look straight ahead. All right. So I want you to look straight up for a second. Oh, that's tight. Let's try it a little bit differently now. Let's look up a little bit and tuck the chin in. All right. How's that feel? Oh man. Yeah, that's tight. Good. Just relax inside here. Sorry if I've got garlic breath.
Not at all.
No?
Nope.
Okay. That's when you know you really have a Puerto Rican doctor. When your doctor smells like adobo. Yeah, I know my doctor's in Puerto Rico. How do you know? It smells like adobo. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I used to go out for lunch across the street, and I used to come back smelling like ajo. I did, man, like grease. I feel like a big tostone, you know? All right, turn your head this way. That's because that lady cooked. I mean, I must have put on about at least 10 pounds eating that food over there. Keep your head there. Just going to gently tap. Nice and easy. Just going to tap. Good. A little bit more. Good. Keep it there. Good. I don't know. Some people like this. Some people don't. But look up a little bit. Just look up a little bit. Good. Good. Look straight ahead. Okay. Just relax. I'm going to just tap your shoulders a little bit. Just try to loosen them up. Open them up a little bit. Heard he's going to the chiropractor. He's getting hit with a hammer and a chisel.
I know, right?
What's going on? What's up with that? Yeah.
I wish I could do that.
You probably hit a little harder. Okay. All right. That's all right. That's all right. That's all good. Turn your head this way. Good. Here we go. Nice. Good. Look up just a little bit. Good. Just want to go with the facets. All right, look straight ahead. Nice. Just like that. See if we get a little movement out of your spine.
Make sure you get my good side.
Which side is that?
I don't know.
Good. All right, let's see if we loosen up these shoulders a little bit. Take this arm, go like that for a second. Just this side. Pull it back. There we go. Let's try the other side. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Pull back. And relax. Relax. Good. All right. So let's just take this. Just relax it. Let it drop. Just let it drop. Just see if we can get some more movement out of it. Good. Yeah, just let it go. Good. That was it. Let's check this side one more time. Just let it drop. That was it. Good. Nice.
Oh, I can't scratch my back.
Yeah, that's right. You know what all that crunchiness is?
Yeah.
Scar tissue.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Like the middle of my back is dirty.
Can't stretch back there? No?
I can't
hit that spot?
It's dry and ashy and everything.
Yeah, that's right. You gotta put a brush against the wall.
Yeah.
Rub your back against it.
I was gonna invent like a hand that would you put lotion, like a lotion dispenser.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Make sure you edit that part. Oh no, keep it there. Keep it there.
Relax inside here. Well, you remember Juan, right, with a toothbrush?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
He had some kind of toothbrush thingy that you could take with you. I don't know, some kind of weird toothbrush.
Yeah. I thought it was ingenious. I showed it to my wife. She's like, that was disgusting.
Yeah, you wash it out or something.
Yeah. And a little bit more. Cool. This arm's gonna go across here, and the other one's gonna go underneath. Cool. Grab
Oh my goodness.
Can you move?
Whoa.
Does that thing move?
I don't think so,
It's
man.
frozen.
I know you feel it, right?
Frozen. All right, so hold on a second. Let's see.
Make sure you love yourself.
Yeah, we're gonna come right inside the middle. All right, so we're gonna twist to the left a little bit. All right. So when you breathe in, breathe out, twist to the left, turn your head to the left. All right, that's all right. That's all right. Okay, breathe in, all the way out. Turn your head to the right. Good. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Relax your arms. Good. Relax your arms. All right, so now we're going to slide back a little bit. Try. Oh, hold on. Come back a little bit more. Right there. That's cool. That's cool. All right, give me a second. Go right in there. Made that at home.
Oh yeah.
Little invention. Let's see if it works. Cross your arms here. This comes underneath. All right, I'm going to lean you back, and then I want you to keep your head tucked. Keep your head tucked down. All right. So I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Lean back. Nice and easy. Relax. Come back up. Try it again. Breathe in. All the way out. Relax your shoulders. Too tight in there. Relax your arms. Relax your arms. A little too tight. All right. Let's come and lay face down on the table. All right? Yeah, I knew it was going to be hard to adjust them. Yep. Good. Hands this side. Cool. Just like that. Okay. Good. Just like that. Good ball. Slide down just a drop. Just a drop. A little bit more. Cool. Right there. Now relax. Let's see how tight this is. Ooh, I can feel that resistance. Yep. Alright, let me loosen you up a little bit. Not a lot of play in there.
Yeah, man.
That doesn't feel like it's moving anywhere. Alright. Right back down. Cool. Right there. Just one. You're going to feel a little tap inside your SI joint. A little tap. You okay? No problem? Alright. Good. Raise it one more time. Right back down. Good. Right there. Just going to feel this in your pelvis. Good. A little bit better. Yeah. This side, raise this up. No? Don't got it? Then right back down. That's cool. See that? Difficult. Yeah, can't do that. That's how locked up he is in the pelvic area. Persia's like, is he going to do that to me next? I want to hit him over the head with that hammer. What's he think he's doing? Good. Good, just relax. Just breathe easy. Just trying to loosen up your spine a little bit. And then the hard part, right up here. It's like hitting cement. You know what toxin is?
What is it called?
Toxin? Toxin? No? Good. Just breathing for me really deep. And out. Let it go. Good. That's it. Again in. And just relax. Good. One more. Good. Just trying to get a little movement out of that. You're going to feel that drop like that. It's not going to hurt. Good. 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 One more time. Just breathing really deep. All the way out. Relax. Good. That's tight. Very tight. Okay, just focus on your breathing. I'm going to lean your head to the side nice and easy. See if you can get a little movement out of the upper part of your back. Good. Right inside there. Just kind of let it go. A little bit more. Good. 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 Right in here. And just relax, Will. No. Let it drop easy.
That's not me.
Yeah, just let it drop easy. Good. Let it go. Good. Good.
Much better.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not all completely frozen in there. There's a little bit of movement. Alright? Alright. I want you to come and lay down on your back. Face up, please. Yeah, hands right there. That's cool. You good? Alright. Bend your knees. Oh, actually, let me take your shoes off if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
Cool. Bend your knees.
I actually couldn't lay like that before.
Pardon me?
Like flat on my back, I couldn't do that.
No?
No.
Bring this up. Okay, what I want you to do with your knees is I want you to squeeze them together hard. Separate. Separate, separate. Good. Bring this down and relax this leg. Just let this leg drop. Then do a circle. Good. Good. That's it. Good. Just relax the knee. A little bit more. Good. Let it drop down. This way. Let it go. Nice. Good. Let the leg relax. Just going to stretch out your hamstring a little bit. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Come right back down. Not too bad. So you got the legs of a dancer.
I know, right?
Get that knee joint. One more. Good. Let it just drop down the side. Just stretch out that hip. Ooh, that hip. It's tight. Yeah, it's tight. Just kind of let that go. Stretch out that hamstring a little bit. Definitely have a little arthritis in your hip.
Yeah,
Yeah, a little bit.
probably everywhere.
What's that?
It's probably everywhere.
You think? I don't know about that.
I know I got it in my hand. When I'm looking at it.
I'm just gonna move your kneecap around a little bit. It's not gonna hurt. You're gonna feel it drop like that. It's not gonna hurt. It's just nice and easy, good little movement. Just let it relax. Easy. Good. Good. That's it. Just trying to mobilize it a little bit. Sometimes the patella gets a little frozen, a little stuck. Yeah, it's a little stuck. Just relax a little bit. Good. One more time. Good. Better. And same thing here. Just relax the foot. Get right in the joint. Try to open it up a little bit. Good. Breathe in. Nice. Got it. Relax. Good. Nice. Gonna bring you down a little bit. Legs right inside there. Slide you down a little bit. Right there. That's where I want you. Lift up your head nice and easy. Hold on. Come right back in and just relax. Right inside there. Good. And just relax nice and easy. Breathe nice and easy. Good. Nice. Just gonna feel a little movement. That's what you can feel. Just like that. That's what you're gonna feel, okay? So just breathe in really deep for me. Just kind of let it go. That's it. One more time. In real deep. That's it. Just kind of let it go. Let it open up a little bit. Good. Just like that. Yeah. Hold on. Relax for a second. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. There we go. Lift up a little bit. Slide up just a little bit.
Like this one.
Yeah. How's that feel?
Better.
Yeah? Yeah.
I felt that in my sternum and everything.
Did you feel it in the front?
Yeah,
Yeah?
man.
Good. You got past the neck? Yeah?
Oh, man.
Oh, good.
That was a big porch, too.
Yeah. Let's see right here. Is that right? Yeah? Good. Right in there. Her just like, I'm getting out of here.
Yeah.
After I saw that, she's like, I'm done. I'm gone. I'm not letting them hang me. That's what she's thinking, man. Nope. Alright, see if we can get a little bit of movement inside here. Just focus on your breathing, nice and easy. Good. Let's see. Good. Try to put a gentle stretch. No, just let it go. We try to open up the whole joint first before we do anything, because that's really tight. A little bit more. Okay, let it go. Good. Come back here. One more right in there. Same thing. Just breathe nice and easy. Yep. Focus on your breathing. Just gonna put a gentle stretch. That's it. Just kind of let it go. No. Let that shoulder just kind of drop a little bit. Got it. Nice. How'd that feel?
Much better.
Good, good. Yeah, you got some movement in there. Hold on. There we go. Loosen you up a little bit. I think I got a little sweat going.
Yeah, right.
Good. Stretch. Good. Let's go right to the other right side. Nice and easy. Just kind of loosen it up. Nice. Good. Want you to look straight up? Look straight
that's
down?
much better.
Yeah, you got a little more movement inside there, right?
Yeah, a lot more.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
I won't get dizzy when I back up the car.
Oh, I hope not. I hope not. All right, guys, we've got Will here from Total Home Solutions, contractor. We just got him adjusted, and tell me how you feel.
Much better.
Yeah.
Range of motion is much better, especially
Awesome.
looking up. And hopefully I'll be able to watch my back now.
Absolutely, absolutely. You got an Instagram or something like that, or a Facebook or a YouTube channel you want to promote?
Actually, no.
No? All right,
Too
there we
busy
go.
to promote.
So
I'm
we're all
sorry.
done. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.